Hi. You guys ready to order? The kitchen is at last call.
Yeah, so we just sat down. Can we get 5 minutes?
We might get something to nibble on, but we're mostly just drinking.
What is that sound?
It's the sound of the last train that goes to my neighborhood leaving the station. Are you crying?
No.
Okay, well, he said we need 5 minutes, so. Okay. I'm just gonna go stand over there and stare at you guys.
Hey, wait.
Oh,
Can you charge my phone?